Welcome back to Motec 2022. I'm here in the Franka Emika booth standing with Sophie Lantermann, our head of product at Franka Emika. We have behind us our Franka Production 3, the first robot from Franka Emika designed specifically for the industrial market, certified by TÜV Süd. Good accomplishment by our product team, I would say. Sophie, maybe you can explain to the audience a little bit more about what makes our robot so special from an industrial perspective.
Yeah, thank you, Nick. So the first thing is the mechanical arm. So this arm has actually 7 degrees of freedom, and all these degrees are equipped with force torque sensors. So that makes that the robot actually has a great human sense of touch, which enables the customers to actually use that sensitivity to mount fragile things. For example, as you can see behind us, a mounting of a RAM into a motherboard. This mounting is not only requiring sensitivity, so to make sure that it's not broken actually, and because the whole process is quite fragile, but you can also use our apps, and that's quite special because in the apps you can encapsulate the complexity of a whole process.
So these apps you talk about, this is really a key part of our ease of use at Franka, yeah? So instead of programming line by line or with code, they can just drag and drop apps into an app workflow like building blocks. And some of the apps are for motion, but others, like you said, really encapsulate this complexity so that a user who doesn't have expertise in robotics can accomplish pretty complicated things. Also, something I'd like to know more about, we have a digital business model through Franka World. This is rather unique in the cobot market, in the robotics market in general. Maybe you could explain a little bit more about this and how this improves our users' lives.
Yes, it's completely unique, and what it enables the customer to do is they actually can use apps that are developed by process experts or robotic experts also all over the world.
Yeah, I mean it's very much like Google or the Apple ecosystem, but for robots. So we have an iPhone of robots, I guess, which is, in the robotics world, pretty groundbreaking, to be honest. If you look around, we have one robot, a 3-kilogram robot now for industry, but we're not stopping there.
No, we don't. Besides launching new exciting features to our robot, to our existing robot, we will also enlarge our family, but always with keeping our human-like sense of touch and the dexterity.
Well, that sounds really good because I believe those are our unique values for customers. Yeah, things that you can do that require more than just precision of movement, where you can feel your way in, like with the inserting of chips. Thank you so much, Sophie, for the insight, and hope you guys come by and check out our booth here at Motec 2022.